Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. This is Sunday Morning Driver here, taking you on a nice, beautiful drive of the back roads of where I live. So as promised, I'm going to give you an in-depth review of the driving experience of the BMW M2 CS, the best BMW ever made. So initial thoughts. So right now I have it in regular comfort mode, and it's honestly very drivable, as in like you can drive this every day if you wanted to. It's obviously going to be a little bit stiffer than your regular everyday car, but it's not unbearable. It's definitely got some weight to the steering. Suspension is a little bit stiff, but for me, as I mentioned before, it's perfect because I'm only going to be driving this on the weekends for the back roads. Even in the regular soft suspension, it feels so planted. Let's stop and just take a look at this beautiful view though. This is also what it's all about. As fun as it is to rip through all the canyons, it's just as fun to get out and experience nature. What I love about Sunday morning driving is that I could just get out, clear my head. I'm honestly thinking about nothing else other than the driving experience. I get to see all the beautiful communities, especially on this road. You'll see a bunch of cyclists, hikers. You can see a lot of people fishing in the lake right now. And then obviously you'll see a bunch of car rallies here too. The first time I ever took this road, I saw a lot of Porsches. Oh, speaking of, there's a Porsche right there, Cayman. But there's also a lot of BMW rallies here, Miatas, Mustang rallies. But gosh, look at that. Look how beautiful it is. I really like this road because it's really twisty and windy, but you get the mountains, you get trees, you get a lake, and for the most part, there's barely anybody on it. Here comes the mob. So I noticed already that this car makes all the power above 4,000 RPM, and it screams. This one red lines, I think, at 7,500. So it feels like it keeps on pulling even once you get higher in the rev range. The download torque really isn't there, which is nice for daily driving. When you're in first gear, you definitely feel a little bit of the jerkiness that people talk about, but once you get used to it, it's not so bad. The steering wheel is very thick. Again, for me, I think it's perfect. I have pretty big hands, and I'd rather have it be too thick than too thin. Pause. Right now I have it in the basic setting, so the steering wheel doesn't feel as connected. It actually has 3 different driving modes for throttle response, steering feel, and suspension. I've already set my mode buttons to what I like. M1 is going to be a little bit slower on the throttle response, but essentially the max on everything else. And then M2 is going to have a lot faster throttle response. I like M1 because I notice when I'm in really tight roads, the acceleration is too aggressive, but the M1, where I have it right in the middle of the acceleration field, I think that's perfect. It's not too jerky. As far as the power goes on this car, it has 444. Oh, thank you. This guy moved out of the way. All right, let's open her up a little bit. Downshift. This thing handles like it's on rails. It just drives so well. Already left all those motorcycles behind me. This thing is just so quick. I can literally accelerate through the curves. It just has so much grip. I'm nowhere near the line on this car, and I probably will never find it just because I'm probably not that good of a driver. Downshift again. Give a little bit of the beans. Hear that engine roar. All right, there we go. This car's amazing. Just when I think it can't handle a turn or I need to slow down, this car's like, why are you slowing down? This is nothing for me. All right, back to talking since we have a little bit of traffic up front. I forgot my train of thought. That's exactly what I'm talking about. When I'm out here driving, I literally think about nothing else other than the driving experience. And to have a car like this that's so good, I don't want to say it's too good because it's definitely exciting still, but it feels like a video game. That's the closest thing I can describe to it. So I have a racing sim at home, and this car just makes it feel like that. Another thing, guys, if you're out driving in your back roads, please just stay in the lane. Don't ever cross the line. On this road, there's a lot of memorials for cyclists, and it's a constant reminder just to be careful and drive safely. I never drive past my limits, let alone the limits of the car, and it's something that you should definitely be doing. The last thing I ever want to do is hurt anybody. Okay, so as far as the brakes, they're honestly more than enough. I've never felt like I've had to slam on the brakes and it doesn't stop in time. They do offer a carbon ceramic option for the car, but you don't need it. This is more than enough, like everybody was mentioning in the videos. Plus, if you wanted the carbon ceramic brakes, the actual brake calipers are gold, which I didn't like. And it was a really expensive option, not just to get it, but also for the replacement of them. For what I do, this is perfect. Put it back in my M2 mode. So this is the one that has a little bit peppier acceleration. And you definitely feel it. Do a few downshifts. These magnetic paddle shifters are amazing. They're so good. There's a reason why the first mod a lot of people do is the paddle shifters. It just adds to the driving experience. The click is so satisfying, and just the action on these pedals is so good. It feels like my Formula 1 paddle shifters on my racing sim. That's actually why I decided to go with the DCT over the manual. I never wanted to remove my hands from the steering wheel. Listen to that engine. It just keeps going. At no point do I ever feel like I'm in trouble. This car's so good. Even to get the tires to squeal is so hard. The grip just seems endless. And then I stopped to think, okay, if this car's so good, I can't imagine what a Formula 1 car would feel like to drive. The car is so capable, so fun. Even at this rev range and speed, it pulls so hard. Honestly, having this car is a dream. When I was a kid, I mean, I've been obsessed with cars ever since I could basically walk. My parents literally have pictures of me holding a toy car as a baby. And to be able to own things like this as an adult is a dream come true. The weight transfer is so good too. Even at this stiffness, you still feel completely in control of the weight transfer. You can really turn it in and you really feel it gripping to the road. It's so confidence inspiring. Another reason why I created this channel is because honestly, I was watching a lot of POV driving, and when I couldn't make it out into the back road, that would satisfy my itch just enough. So now hopefully one of you can watch these videos and enjoy it. All right, clear, give it a little bit of beans. So good. So good. As much as I want a Porsche, because that's obviously a natural progression from BMW to Porsche, I still love this car so much. Getting rid of it would be a very sad day, even if I were to get rid of it for a GT4 RS. So one thing I noticed that people were complaining about is the fake sounds in the car. Honestly, I don't mind. I mean, you can hear it. It doesn't sound bad, and I'm not even totally sure if it is fake. The exhaust note is definitely a lot deeper and it has some burbles, but inside it feels very refined. Okay, so we're about to get into the really technical stuff soon, and so you can really see what this car can do. Straight road, straight line speed, this car is great, but I feel like it really shines in the technical stuff. A little bit of weight transfer, no drama, in the best way. Give some downshifts right here. Some great revs. where I want to be in my M1 mode because it starts to get really tight in here. But of course, as always, we're going to hit a little bit of traffic when we're trying to do spirited driving. You know, that used to upset me, but now I see it as God or the universe or whatever you believe in telling me to slow down or keep me from doing something stupid. So I welcome it. Plus, it gives me the opportunity to just enjoy my surroundings because look at this. And like I mentioned, all the beautiful communities, like the cycling communities right there doing their thing. But these roads are so good. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they're like rolling hills. It's so good. And honestly, if you're not careful, you could become airborne. Perfect. You got out of our way. Thank you. Thank you very much. A few downshifts. Sounds so good. And you actually feel the vibration of the engine through the steering wheel. It's subtle, but it's definitely there. A little bit of short shifting. All right, here's where it comes really technical. You really have to pay attention right here. It's seriously a video game. This is ridiculous. It's a video game. I pointed exactly where I wanted to go. And just so you guys know, my steering wheel right now is at the max stiffness. Throttle response, medium. Suspension, max. So good. Really tight. Feels like you're on a roller coaster here. Really, really good. And just so you guys are aware, I'm not hammering down at all. This car has more than enough power you'll ever need. It's that perfect balance of like not too much power, but definitely not slow. Gear ratio is really good. I've actually been in second gear this whole time just because it's so tight and technical in this area. I can give it acceleration in the middle of the turn. Just gives you an idea of how much grip this car has. And I hope the camera can capture how tight these roads actually are. No tires squeal. Get good rotation into the turn. Weight transfer. Traffic up ahead, so I'm gonna slow down now. Unbelievable. Anyway, guys, I really want to thank you for watching this video. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it, and I hope you get something out of it. Some entertainment, like I mentioned, scratch that itch for you when you don't get to go out and enjoy the back roads. So anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know if there's anything you guys want me to do, anything else you want me to review. One thing I did notice is a lot of these car reviewers, they only review on-road cars. I actually have a few off-road toys that I would want to review because I've never really see that. I don't want to say never, but there's very few videos of people reviewing off-road vehicles like Razors, Can-Ams, etc. So I'm definitely going to do that at some point as well. But if you have any other cars you want me to personally review, let me know in the comment section. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share this with all your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me. Like I mentioned, this is the road to getting the ultimate driver-focused cars, which is the GT3 RS. So help me. And thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.